Kinda tough deciding which of your friends get to die, isn't it? Good news is you got this one chum who's already dead. And he'd be honored to join you on a wild suicide run. You, me, and Arasaka Tower. Kinda sounds like a Eurodyne lyric, I know, but trust me, we'll go fucking Nova.
This plan, what would it entail, exactly?
Plan? Well, might be how Rogue operates. I say you grab the hottest iron you can find, stride in the tower's front door, and cut your own path down to the lower levels. If Mikoshi's deep underground like Hanako claims it is, you'll just have to find the elevator.
If I gotta die, rather fall into my grave, gun in hand and on fire, and not drag anyone down with me.
Huh. You just discovered what it takes to become a legend. Grab your iron. Let's mobilize.
Welcome to Arasaka Tower.
Time to party like it's 2023.
Materials are not allowed on the premises. We wish you a pleasant day.
No, there's no fucking point. I mean, he...
Ahora ya había subido la marea. ¡Jesús! ¡Jesús! ¡Había subido la marea con triple paella! ¡Jesús!
Welcome to Arasaka Tower.
Time to party like it's 2023.
Materials are not allowed on the premises. We wish you a pleasant day.
Just like that. 万華鏡車輪眼
And I was the one who gave Nagato the Rinnegan.
My sacred paper emissary jutsu
Is dead?
How are you not dead? I ran the simulations over and over.
Light in that eye to tie illusion and reality together. Only those who possess the powers of both the Uchiha and the Senju suppose you deserve to know that little bit of my history.
Welcome to Arasaka Tower.
Time to party like it's 2023.
Materials are not allowed on the premises. We wish you a pleasant day. Welcome to Arasaka Tower.
Time to party
Weapons
like it's
and other hazardous
2023.
materials are not allowed on the premises. We wish you a pleasant day.
Coming in for the kill! Go, go, go! Shit! Close contact!
Careful. This is their house. Got a game plan all polished and rehearsed.
to Arasaka Tower.
Time to party
Weapons
like it's
and other hazardous
2023.
materials are not allowed on the premises. We wish you a pleasant day.
Closing the gap! Fire!
Ugh.
Moving in for the kill! Have this!
Careful. This is their house. Got a game plan all polished to the crust.